Hi guys, in this video we will see how to download and install ChatGPT AI feature in your Windows 11 system. Very easy. You can easily download and install ChatGPT in your Windows 11 PC. Go to Windows search and here type Microsoft Store. We will download and install ChatGPT AI feature through Windows. Here in search field type ChatGPT and open the appeared result ChatGPT. Here you will find ChatGPT. Simply click on Get, the official ChatGPT Windows app. ChatGPT Windows app download and install through Microsoft Store in Windows 11 system. Let the window complete the downloading and installation process. It will take some time. If successfully downloaded, simply click on Open. And ChatGPT is now open. Here simply put your credentials and start it.